Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use fish oil for gym performance. Fish oil is a powerful supplement that can significantly enhance your fitness journey. It's known for its ability to support muscle recovery, helping your body bounce back faster after strenuous exercise. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation, which is common after intense training sessions. This can lead to less soreness and improved overall comfort. Determining the right dosage is essential for maximizing benefits. Most experts recommend aiming for 2 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day. It's often beneficial to split this daily dose into 2 or 3 smaller servings, perhaps with different meals. Remember, individual needs can vary, so always consider consulting a healthcare professional to tailor the dosage specifically for your body and fitness goals. Timing your fish oil intake can also optimize its effects. Taking it with meals is generally recommended as it significantly enhances absorption. Many find it beneficial to consume their fish oil either before or after their gym sessions to support recovery and reduce inflammation around their workouts. Always prioritize high-quality supplements that have undergone third-party testing to ensure purity and potency for the best results. For truly impactful results, consistency is absolutely key. Incorporating fish oil into your daily routine, rather than just occasionally, will provide the most significant long-term benefits for your gym performance and overall health. Remember, fish oil works best as part of a holistic approach, complementing a balanced diet and a consistent exercise regimen. With dedication, you can expect noticeable improvements in your recovery, joint health, and general well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.